Hey friends, if Microsoft Edge keeps deleting saved passwords, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, update Microsoft Edge, especially installing the security updates. So all of them are installed at once. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Help and Feedback and click on About Microsoft Edge. It will start checking for updates and update it to the latest version. Now I'll tell you why this is important. If Microsoft Edge is not updated and the latest security updates are not installed, then Microsoft Edge will keep deleting passwords to keep you secure from any data breaches of your passwords. The next solution is to check and clear the browsing data history. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on this bin symbol here, change the time range to all time, and then click on clear now. The next solution is to reset Microsoft Edge settings to default. Okay, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu, go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side, select restore settings to the default value, click on reset. The last solution is not required because now we do not have the provision to uninstall Edge easily. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.